Hello everyone. And welcome back once again to another interesting video. In today's video we'll discuss top 10 essential AI skills for your dream career. So if you are ready, let's start today's video. Artificial intelligence or AI has become a driving force across various industries, revolutionizing the way we live and work. As the demand for AI expertise continues to grow, developing a strong skill set in this field has become essential for anyone aspiring to build a successful career in AI. Here, we'll explore 10 essential AI skills that can pave the way for your dream career in this dynamic and rapidly evolving field. 1. Programming languages. Proficiency in programming languages is fundamental for anyone working in AI. Python is widely regarded as the language of choice for AI development due to its simplicity, versatility, and extensive libraries. TensorFlow and PyTorch, two popular AI frameworks, are also based on Python. Mastering these tools will enable you to implement machine learning algorithms, neural networks, and other AI applications. 2. Machine learning. Machine learning is at the core of AI, empowering systems to learn and improve from experience. Understanding the principles of supervised and unsupervised learning, as well as reinforcement learning, is crucial. Familiarity with algorithms such as linear regression, decision trees, support vector machines, and neural networks is essential. Practical experience in applying machine learning models to real-world problems is invaluable. 3. Deep learning. Deep learning is a subset of machine learning that focuses on neural networks with multiple layers or deep neural networks. This field has gained immense popularity for its ability to handle complex tasks such as image and speech recognition. Skills in designing, training, and optimizing deep neural networks using frameworks like TensorFlow and PyTorch are highly sought after in the AI job market. 4. Natural language processing or NLP. NLP enables machines to understand, interpret, and generate human language. With the rise of chatbots, language translation, and voice assistants, NLP has become a critical aspect of AI. Familiarity with tools like NLTK or Natural Language Toolkit and libraries like Spacie, along with an understanding of techniques such as sentiment analysis and named entity recognition, is essential for those interested in working with language-based AI applications. 5. Computer vision. Computer vision involves enabling machines to interpret and make decisions based on visual data. This is applied in areas such as facial recognition, image classification, and object detection. Skills in using computer vision libraries like OpenCV and understanding concepts like convolutional neural networks or CNNs are vital for developing AI applications with a visual component. 6. Reinforcement learning. Reinforcement learning focuses on training models to make sequences of decisions by learning from trial and error. This is particularly important in fields like robotics and game-playing AI. Understanding concepts like Markov decision processes or MDPs, reward functions, and policy optimization is crucial for mastering reinforcement learning. 7. Data science and statistics. AI relies heavily on data, making data science skills indispensable. This includes expertise in data preprocessing, feature engineering, and the ability to work with large datasets. A solid understanding of statistical concepts is essential for interpreting results and making informed decisions based on data analysis. 8. Algorithmic thinking. The ability to think algorithmically and solve complex problems is a key skill in AI. This involves breaking down problems into smaller, manageable steps and designing efficient algorithms to solve them. Strong algorithmic thinking is crucial for optimizing models and ensuring they can handle large-scale data and computations. 9. Cloud computing. With the increasing complexity and size of AI models, cloud computing has become an essential infrastructure. Familiarity with cloud platforms such as AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud is important for deploying, scaling, and managing AI applications. Cloud services provide the computational power and storage needed for training and running sophisticated AI models. 10. Ethics and responsible AI. As AI continues to impact society, understanding the ethical implications of AI technologies is crucial. This includes considerations around bias in algorithms, transparency, and the potential societal impact of AI applications. Being able to develop AI systems that are fair, accountable, and transparent is not only an ethical imperative but also a growing expectation in the industry. Conclusion. In conclusion, building a career in AI requires a multifaceted skill set that encompasses programming, machine learning, deep learning, natural language processing, computer vision, and more. The field is dynamic, and staying updated with the latest advancements is essential. Continuous learning, practical application of skills through projects, and a commitment to ethical AI practices will set you on the path to a successful and fulfilling career in the exciting world of artificial intelligence. That's all for this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and hit that notification bell for more content, so you don't miss any upcoming video. And, if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, please let us know in the comments below. Until next time, keep exploring and keep coding. Thanks for watching, and happy coding.